Namaskar, Mitrano. It's time for match number 10 from the Maharashtra Cricket Association International Stadium, Gahunze in Pune. The PBG Kolhapur Tuskers have won the toss and they have decided to field first. And it was Rahul Tripathi, the captain for the Kolhapur Tuskers. Aniket Porwal, Sachin Das, Siddharth Matre, Shrikant Munde. There we go, the playing 11 for the Raigad Royals. Siddesh Veer, the skipper Vishant More, Naushad Sheikh, Mehul Patel, the inform man for the Raigad Royals. Siddesh Veer is there. Yes, his best of 76. Naushad Sheikh has just scored 26 in the 3 matches. It's going to be Nihal Tusamad to bowl the first over. On wide is slip placed. Tucked away on the leg side. Nicely done. Great start for Siddesh Veer.
The shot he played. Class. Beautiful timing. Good positioning.
In the air, chance taken. Yes.
दूर खेले नौशाद सिंह कोई रन नहीं बनाया पहले थोड़ा काफी दूर खेले बॉडी से और सीधा श्रीकांत मुंडे के हाथ में बढ़िया कैच वहां पर ज्यादातर उन्होंने बनाए थे यहां पर कड़क शॉट यहां पर कोई चांस नहीं बढ़िया गैप पे चौका यहां पर थोड़ी शॉट थी ये गेंद उसका पूरा फायदा
The point has been sent back. And there he goes. What covers this time? And it's going long. Takes outside edge. Gone. Siddesh Veer has been dismissed by Nihal Tusamad. Big wicket of Siddesh Veer.
बॉल ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट बढ़िया गेंद अंदर आई और बाहर निकली सिद्धेश वीर ऑन द अप खेलने की तलाश में थे और बढ़िया गेंदबाजी यही होता है ना कप्तान ने टॉस जीत के फील्डिंग करने का निर्णय 2 विकेट निकाल के दिए सिद्धेश वीर अच्छे फॉर्म में दिख रहे थे 20 रन करके पहले में वापस 25 पर 2 लंबी लेके जाते हैं ये हवा में गेंद पर ये बिल्कुल अच्छा टाइमिंग यहाँ पर इशाद मोरे पिछले मैच में अच्छे बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे अच्छी गेंद हवा में मौका बनाया था चौका मिला यहाँ पर ज्यादा करके आगे कमिट करते हैं ये वाला शॉर्ट बॉल अच्छी दिशा दिखाई चौका मिला ये करना है ज्यादा शॉट डाल दिए और ये शॉर्ट बॉल डाला था लेग साइड ये लेन पर ये थोड़ी सी ज्यादा ऊपर हो गई और ऑफ स्टंप के बाद बिल्कुल चौका मिला यहाँ पर विशांत मोरे के बल्ले से शॉट
बहुत बढ़िया डिलीवरी अंदर की तरफ लाए थे Rohan Marwa gone for 10, 57 for 3.
What a knock that he scored in the last match. 83 of 33 balls. And in that, 7 sixes that he by Taranjit Dhillon. Where he picked up that wicket of Rohan Marwa off the inside edge. And as
So, like you were saying, credit to the bowlers. Is that
Vishant More, they'll be looking to stitch the little partnership. There you have the improvisation. And another boundary. Vishant More this time looking to put.
पर फिर जगह बनाकर खेलने की कोशिश की है गेंद जा रही है वहां पर फील्डर ओह brilliant attempt Raigad Royals in check this time plays that one officially and gets full value that's a boundary there Ankit Bhavne makes a valiant attempt but the ball goes through for a boundary
That's a top.
बॉल्स बढ़ते प्रेशर आता है तो बड़ा शॉट आने वाला है यहाँ पर दूसरा शॉट यहाँ गैप में है चौका मिल सकता है बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट मेहुल पटेल का
hope for much more than that shot is delivery up in the air fielder oh confusion no coordination whatsoever between Harsh there for Mehul Patel this time once again down the ground and full valleys very good effort here first 6 and up and away goes for a boundary there over the point region gets full value
on the ball? And he's paid for it.
and he's pitched it up. Mehul Patel has accepted. The long on was wider. And now, another record being broken. And that was in the slot. And that's out of the plot. Oh, the fielder had long on, 6 runs. Short ball, yes, power by Vishant More. It was pure strength. Where's he going? Is that a comeback chance? Looks difficult, but he's done that. Yes, Shreyas Chavan. Manipalji was expecting something from you, and you've delivered.
Great, a fantastic innings. 68 रन बनाए विशांत मोरे ने, 150 for 4 RR.
Vishant More, in comes Rishabh Rathod. Strike rate of 122.
They know the importance of this wicket. Oh, what a catch! Brilliant! And umpires don't want to make any mistakes, so he's gone to the TV umpire, wants to check it. He's given it. Yes, popped out. In the fingers again. The elbow on the ground. This is gone for 45. 153 for 5 now. Well done by Dongre. In the air. Timed it well. 6 runs.
Chance given. Yes, Vicky Ostwal will have to.
देखिए कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे चेंज होता है, एक कैच के साथ भी कॉन्फिडेंस चेंज हो सकता है. पहले ओवर में 11 रन दिए थे डोंगरे ने. और ओस्टवाल भी खुश नहीं थे, एक ही रन उन्होंने बनाया. 167 for 6.
Low full toss, fielder there, placed exactly for that, taken. And it was the skipper Rahul Tripathi.
गजराज आउट हुए एक रन बनाकर. 171 for 7.
All outside off stump, and oh, the fielder at covers. No fielder there. 4 runs. Rishabh Rathod losing his. Short ball, pulled. Fielder will be a spectator. What a shot. Nicely bowled. That'll just be a run. It's a good comeback by Munde. The last 2 balls. Just conceding 2. That will be 14 runs in the 26 of 12 by Rishabh Rathod. Made it possible for the Raigad Royals to cross the 180 run mark. Quick fire 26 of 12. Have a look at those partnership. The highest 4th wicket partnership in the Maharashtra Premier League. Vishant More and Mehul Patel.
Starting off the action. Straight away. Testing the...
Will do something with the new ball. 51 runs for Harsh Rangvi in the season so far.
experience in the world. This time, once again, this time over the point region. Will get another boundary. That's the here to Ankit Bhavne. This time, and gone. Easy as it comes.
Manages to get Harsh Sangvi wicket at that moment in time. Sangvi gets 2.
Come very good here for his side. Ankit Bhavne at the other end. To experience. This time cuts that one and will get full value for that. That's a boundary, much needed boundary there for. This time moves a bit around the crease, but mid-on running after it will not be able to cut it off. That's Rahul Tripathi's first boundary. This time, yes, he does entertain, and the ball goes through to the boundary. And one more. Making a habit of it.
Be ready.
Yeah, he's ready. And that's boundary. लगाया वहां पर. इस बार फिर गति में परिवर्तन किया और एक चौका नहीं छक्का. क्या बात है. Again plays that one and gets through. That's a boundary to end the over. 20.
ओहो कमाल का शॉट. फ्लैट 6 से फ्लिक कर दिया है राहुल त्रिपाठी ने स्क्वायर लेग की दिशा पर. गलत गेंद. क्या शॉट था. कमाल का फ्लिक शॉट. वो भी फ्लैट 6 और बाउंड्री भी काफी लंबा है उस दिशा में. 73 यार्ड का बाउंड्री है.
A reverse sweep attempted, connects and connects well. Will get a boundary this time.
ये बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पर. अच्छी गेंद थी, इतनी खराब गेंद नहीं थी, पर टाइमिंग कितना बढ़िया. आखिर तक वो बॉल को देखा और स्विंग दिया, इसलिए चौका मिला है. ये हट के कवर के ऊपर सर बिल्कुल यहाँ पर चौका मिल सकता है. बढ़िया शॉट.
Carry on this good work. Short ball, a gift, gleefully accepted by Rahul Tripathi.
Rahul Tripathi. Rahul is not waiting, takes the inside edge and he's walking. Oh, what a stop.
Raigad Royals. That was a good delivery, good length. Wanted to play a big shot, Rahul Tripathi. Gone for 46 of just 19 deliveries, but played a brilliant partnership with Bhabne. 19 balls, 46, 100 for 2 now. Innings रही है, उनको पता था सामने त्रिपाठी अटैकिंग क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, इन्होंने अपने एग्रेशन को कंट्रोल.
Safe. In comes Vicky Ostwal and picks up a wicket. The left arm spin.
But he's done his job. That was a flighted delivery. There was an invitation there. Beautiful delivery. Came into the batsman in the air and after pitching, utna hi turn ki. Fantastic innings from Bhabne. 51. 1, 2, 3. 2-3 इंच पीछे ही गिरेगी. इस बार हवा में बॉल सीधा फील्डर के पास. एक और विकेट. 21 पर आउट हुए पोरवाल. 129 पर 4. Oh, another one gone. Another wicket.
Over by Ingle. Shrikant Munde, the experienced Munde, has gone for a 1-run. Tuskers, but all of a sudden, is there another chance? Matre up in the air, fielder is coming under it, take it!
Slower delivery in that off-spin action. और इस पिच में बॉलर्स के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है और कोई गलती नहीं की वहां पर. वेल डन. 3 रन बनाए म्हात्रे ने. 131 पर 6. अब देखना है टस्कर्स किस तरह से वापसी करते हैं. शॉर्ट बॉल आउटसाइड द ऑफ स्टंप. डोंगरे.
50 runs needed, full toss, and he's gone. What's going on here, Nikhil bhai?
Softest miss. Thank you very much. That gets Dongre to depart for 5. It's 136 for 7.
Down the ground. What a shot there by Das. And yeah, easy as it comes. That's a sitting. Yes, that's the 6th sign. अब बात है और इस बार ओह क्या बात है. मनोज यादव. This time once again, and that's gone.
On 12, it's 159 for 8.
Yet to win a contest in this tournament. Oh, Taranjit Dhillon trying something, but will only find the
60 for 9.
8 more deliveries left. This time once again giving it his almighty heave. Looking for
Can come back in a game anytime when they're looking to pick up some wickets.
what a shot there, but caught at the boundary line. Why not? They've made a strong comeback in this contest. Bat Kolhapur Tuskers made 172 in reply, fell short by 13 runs. Tanay and Manoj Ingle were the star with the ball.